So to create a playlist, follow this procedure. Number one, tap on this icon here, tap on the video panel, then you select all. You can see if I select this or I do this, you can see the options that will pop up or come out. So you see add to playlist. Look at more action, add to playlist. These are previous playlists. Are you here? Then if you want to create a new playlist, you select this new playlist. All right, the title of your playlist, probably based on whatever I want to do, you can decide to, let me use this. Yes, let me use this as my playlist. Yes, then the description, let me copy it from this generated description. Yes, can you see that? I'll paste it into this. You can see even YouTube will recommend this playlist when users are seeking for tutorials that have to do with this playlist. Then you make it public, all right? Then you create your playlist. So once the playlist is created, you can see it has been saved. So you can add videos to this particular playlist. You can select videos as many as you want, or select them one after the other. Let's say I want to add this. I will now add it to playlist. I'll add it to playlist. You can see that I'll add it to this particular playlist. I save it. So this is how you add videos to playlists and to create playlists. All right. For more tutorials on this, please subscribe to our channel and do check back for more content.